Hi everybody, it's Dr. Bam, and this is your Unit 6 Foundation video. And in this unit, we are looking at the fundamental causes of positive and negative behavior and effective guidance intervention. And so we're going to take a little bit of look at moral reasoning. We do have a couple theorists in here. We will take a look at how uh, there is some theory behind if males and females' moral reasoning is different. Um, we really want to take a look at adult-centered and child-centered definition of misbehavior and how they are different and how we should approach that differently. Um, and then finally, we're going to look at the reasons for undesirable behavior and how can we change that behavior. So one important thing that we want to remember in regards to behavior is that all behavior is gains something. So when we change that perspective, what are they gaining from the behavior that they are displaying? So if they're gaining attention, maybe we need to give positive attention in another way. If they're gaining a delay in doing something they don't want to do, then we need to address how do we proactively help them choose to um, do the things that they need to do. And so and this can help you in your own life too. So remembering any behavior you have that you don't want, you gain from something from that behavior. And so all behavior that we do is because we gain something from it. And that gain in accordance to our, at least our internal belief, is greater than any losses that occur to it. And so we really got to think through what are the children gaining from this. As always, we are covering chapter 9 and 10, and the PowerPoints are available to you right there. This is going to be the last larger unit. Unit 7 will be smaller as it is our final unit, and it's the unit that is your final. So um, there is no other final other than your Unit 7 completion of activities. This one has 15 concepts and competencies, but I also want you to really start thinking here of going back into things that I have graded, and remember that you have 2 chances to submit any given assignment, and so just 2 additional after your initial submission. And so I encourage you to go back and look at my feedback. So if you did not receive full credit on a concept, I always gave feedback in the concept itself on how you could improve your answer. So I encourage you to go back and look at that, those concepts that you did not receive mastery, and usually the feedback there will direct you on how to improve your answer to gain more points back and receive mastery. Have a great unit, and I look forward to your answers.